All right, guys, so we got the truck pulled out and the battery's charging over there. And we got the Chevelle uncovered. You probably haven't seen it uncovered in a while. We're gonna put the same wheels that are in the back on the front. We actually have Foose wheels, nitrous in the fronts. These are 20s, 20 by 8.5 or 20 by 9. And then we have 20 by 10 in the back. And the offset's perfect. There's no spacers, deep dish. Look at that all the way through. Nice CPP brakes, Viking coilovers, 4-link rear end. This car's built right. All right, let's see. I'll show you the trunk. So we got the battery back here in the back. Mounted it back there on the opposite side of the driver's side to split the weight up a little bit. And these are all parts that are going back on this car. No glass in it yet. We got TMI recovered 66 bucket seats. Kind of a fun fact and a cool tidbit. These seats were the prototypes of all the new TMI seats. These are the actual prototypes that TMI built, which ended up becoming like their main line, their Pure Sport, and a couple of their other lines, which you see in the C10s all the time. They were all designed from these actual seats. I got these from a guy who had them in a 66 Chevelle ProTouring, charcoal gray, and he worked for TMI, and he did a lot of prototype type seats and stuff when TMI was doing that. And so you can see it's got the rear backs just like a 66 or 67. The only difference between 66 and 7 is 66 tilts forward without a latch. 67 has a latch down there. So, and I think we're gonna recover these, but with TMI's different covers. We're gonna do saddle and black interior on this whole car. So it's gonna be black and saddle, like a horse saddle. I love that, with all blacked out. We're gonna redo a custom dash on this. Got tilt wheel, that's an I did it column right there. I painted it. Got a Hurst 5-speed shifter right there. Always wanted one of those in a hot rod that I built. Shout out to Todd Prouty from Bonita, who we went to high school together, and he had a 390 Ford Fairlane with that same Hurst shifter in it, and that's been an inspiration ever since. So I finally got a car with that since Todd Prouty's 390 Ford Fairlane. That was a beast in its day. Shout out to Todd.